Hi everyone, welcome to Makayla's Playground. Do you know how Santa and the elf on the shelf watch you on Christmas to see if you're naughty or nice, or you get presents or none of them? So we're gonna read about our energetic friend David. Let's see what he's up to as he's being bad on Christmas. As we read, it's Christmas, David. If you have a copy, go get it so you can read along with me. It's Christmas, David, by Dave and Shannon. That's Santa right there. Ready? At Christmas time, everyone said, "No, David. No peeking. No stitching. Those are not toys." He's playing with the ornaments. Ooh, but I see rainbow. I see Rudolph. Santa's watching David. He's naked. It looks like he ran out of the house and he forgot to put on his clothes and his. That's really bad. Be patient. He's not waiting patiently to get to Santa Claus. Hurry up. He wants to go somewhere else, but he's not getting hurried. David, naughty list. Santa's going to bring you a lump of coal. Uh-oh, I think David broke the window. Don't start yet. Seat to your grandmother. No yawning at the dinner table. That's the wrong fork. Sit up straight. Don't reach. Put your napkin in your lap. Get your elbows off the table. That's a lot. No, David, you may not open one early. Go to sleep, David. No Christmas for you, David. Dear David, sorry you were naughty. Love, Santa Claus. Oh, he's crying. That's not a good note. Wake up, David. You were dreaming. Yes, David, it's Christmas! Yay! Dear David, Merry Christmas. Love, Santa Claus. The end. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoyed my channel. If you want to watch another It's Christmas David Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. And remember to subscribe, click the bell button, and give a big thumbs up. And follow us on Instagram. And remember to watch my TikTok. Like, we have our video, like I wanted to prank Daddy with the balloon and get him wet. He was so freezing. Or the TikTok where do you have Instagram? No, Snapchat. So thank you for watching. I hope you have a good time. Remember to there's a new book. It's called Grow Up David. Bye, and stay healthy too. And get a naughty list.